Fanad is a peninsula on the north coast of County Donegal, Ireland. For centuries, Fanad Point has had strategic importance in protecting the Irish coastline and passing ships. The first lighthouse was built in 1817 to replace an earlier British watchtower. The Navy called for a lighthouse after a Royal Navy frigate struck rocks near Fanad Head during a violent storm. The present lighthouse dates to 1886. It is one of the 11 lighthouses in County Donegal, and has been voted one of the most beautiful lighthouses in the world.